मैं इसमें सहज हूँ. I am comfortable with that. I am comfortable with that. तो बेहतर होगा कि हम जल्दी करें. We better hurry up then. We better hurry up then. ये आपके लिए आए थे. These came for you. These came for you. मुझे कुछ जानना है. I need to know something. I need to know something. हाँ, बहुत समय हो गया. Yes, it's been a long time. Yes, it's been a long time. इस बार शायद आप सही हो. This time you might be right. This time you might be right. मैं भूला नहीं हूँ. I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. कृपया देर ना करें. Please don't be late. Please don't be late. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि वो आ पाएगा. I did not think he would be able to make it. I did not think he would be able to make it. बहुत दिनों से मुलाकात नहीं हुई. Long time no see. Long time no see. क्या सोहन जानता है कि मैं वहाँ रहूँगा? Does Sohan know I will be there? Does Sohan know I will be there? आपको वह सारी सहायता मिलेगी जो आपको चाहिए. You will have all the help you need. You will help all the help you need. किसी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हो. Waiting on someone. Waiting on someone. उसकी उससे शादी नहीं हुई थी. He was not married to her. He was not married to her. वह अभी अपने कार्यालय लौट रही है. She is just returning to her office. She is just returning to her office. इसमें 1 मिनट भी नहीं लगेगा. This won't take a minute. This won't take a minute. कृपया कोई बहाना नहीं. No excuse please. No excuse please. मैं आपकी भावनाओं से उन्हें अवगत कराऊंगा. I will convey your sentiments to him. I will convey your sentiments to him. मैंने आपको अपडेट्स ईमेल कर दिए हैं. I have emailed you the updates. I have emailed you the updates. आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद. Thanks for your cooperation. Thanks for your cooperation. मैं इस समय आने में कामयाब रहा. I managed to come at this hour. I managed to come at this hour. जितना मैंने सोचा था ये उससे ज़्यादा कठिन है. It's harder than I thought. It's harder than I thought. शायद चीज़ें बदल गई हैं. Maybe things have changed. Maybe things have changed. ईश्वर पर अपना विश्वास बनाए रखें. Keep your faith in God. Keep your faith in God. यहाँ आ जाएं. Come over here. Come over here. आज तुम मेरे लिए क्या लाओगे? What will you get me today? What will you get me today? क्या आप इससे कभी नहीं थकते? Don't you ever get tired of it? Don't you ever get tired of it? तुम मुझसे मजाक कर रहे हो. You are kidding with me. You are kidding with me. बताओ मैंने आज क्या बनाया? Guess what I built today. Guess what I built today. मैं तुम्हें यह कहानी हर दिन सुनाता हूँ. I tell you this story every single day. I tell you this story every single day. आप आपको कितनी बार बताना पड़ेगा? हाउ मैनी टाइम्स डू यू हैव टू बी टोल्ड? हाउ मैनी टाइम्स डू यू हैव टू बी टोल्ड? मैं हर मिनट उस पर नजर नहीं रख सकता. I can't be watching her every minute. I can't be watching her every minute. मैं वहाँ किसी भी हालत में जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go there so bad. I want to go there so bad. मेरे दादाजी ने मुझे यह दिया था. My grandpa gave it to me. My grandpa gave it to me. हम कुछ ही समय में वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे. We will be there in no time. We will be there in no time. कल रात नींद कैसी आई? How did you sleep last night? How did you sleep last night? महेश उसे कुछ नहीं होने देगा. महेश is not going to let anything happen to her. Mahesh is not going to let anything happen to her. अभी तुरंत नीचे उतरो. Get down here this instant. Get down here this instant. मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आई. I missed you badly. I missed you badly. मैं कॉल किए जा रहा हूँ. I have been calling and calling. I have been calling and calling. मुझे जाना ही होगा. I gotta go. I gotta go. मैं जाकर उसे ले आता हूँ. I will go get her. I will go get her. मेरे पास पूरा दिन नहीं है. I don't have all day. I don't have all day. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था तब से यह मेरे पास है. I have had it since I was your age. I have had it since I was your age. उसके पास कोई विकल्प नहीं था. He had no choice. He had no choice. ये मत कहना कि उसने कोशिश नहीं की. Don't tell me he didn't try. Don't tell me he didn't try. यह उसकी गलती है. This is his fault. This is his fault. मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं था. I was never like that. I was never like that. यह आपके भले के लिए है. It's for your own good. It's for your own good. मैं तुम पर कृपा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not patronizing you. I am not patronizing you. मैंने उससे वादा किया था कि तुम समय पर आओगे. I promised her you would be on time. I promised her you would be on time. मैंने तुम पर भरोसा किया. I trusted you. I trusted you. तुम्हारी बहन मुझे मार डालेगी. Your sister's going to kill me. Your sister's going to kill me. आपको एक उदाहरण स्थापित करना चाहिए. You should set an example. You should set an example. मैं दोबारा वो गलती नहीं करूँगा. I won't make that mistake again. I won't make that mistake again. क्या आपके पास 1 मिनट का समय है? Do you have a minute to spare? Do you have a minute to spare? हालांकि तुमने अच्छी कोशिश की. You gave it a good shot though. You gave it a good shot though. मुझे धन्यवाद मत करो. Don't thank me. Don't thank me. तुम्हारे पास कोई योजना है भी? Do you even have a plan? Do you even have a plan? मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे हुआ. I don't know how it happened. I don't know how it happened. हमने तुम्हें पहले ही मौका दिया था. We gave you a chance already. We gave you a chance already. हम सभी ने देखा कि ये कैसे हुआ. We all saw how it happened. We all saw how it happened. तुमने वो जानबूझकर किया. You did that on purpose. You did that on purpose. क्या मुझे पता था कि ऐसा होने वाला है? Did I know this was gonna happen? Did I know this was gonna happen? क्यों ना हम इसे तुम्हारे तरीके से करें? Why don't we do it your way? Why don't we do it your way? हम हमेशा सबसे अच्छे दोस्त रहेंगे. We will always be best friends. We will always be best friends. चलो उसे ले आएं. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. मैं इसमें सहज हूँ. I am comfortable with that. I am comfortable with that. वो झूठ बोल रहा है. He is lying. He is lying. मेरे पास क्या है? What do I have? What do I have? मुझे देखना है. I want to see. I want to see. क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? अलार्म बजा. The alarm went off. The alarm went off. वो झटके से उठा. He woke up with a jerk. He woke up with a jerk. मेरी घड़ी रुक गई होगी. My watch must have stopped. My watch must have stopped. इस बार शायद आप सही हों. This time you might be right. This time you might be right. यह एक अपशकुन है. It's a bad omen. It's a bad omen. यहाँ भीड़ जमा मत करो. Don't crowd here. Don't crowd here. डकार मत लो. Don't belch. Don't belch. उसकी दादी ने उसे डांटा है. Her grandma has scolded her. Her grandma has scolded her. यह कमरा बहुत बदबूदार है. This room is so stinky. This room is so stinky. चलो धूप सेंकते हैं. Let's bask in the sun. Let's bask in the sun. दरवाज़ा पहले से ही खुला है. The door is already open. The door is already open. मेरा एक काम कर दो. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मैं भी तुम पर भरोसा नहीं करता. I don't trust you either. I don't trust you either. मेरा भरोसा मत तोड़ो. Don't betray my trust. Don't betray my trust. अनाप शनाप बातें मत करो. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. मैं अब तुमसे बात नहीं करूँगा. I will not talk to you now. I will not talk to you now. चुटकी मत बजाओ. Don't snap your fingers. Don't snap your fingers. तुम्हारी आवाज़ गूंज रही है. Your voice is echoing. Your voice is echoing. मुझे बात करने दो. Let me talk. Let me talk. ये तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. मैं आपको नंबर भेज रहा हूँ. I am sending you the number. I am sending you the number. तुम दोनों से मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Great to see you both. Great to see you both. वह बातूनी है. He is talkative. He is talkative. मुझे फ्री होकर कॉल करो. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. घर पहुंचते ही मुझे कॉल करो. Call me as soon as you get home. Call me as soon as you get home. अपने माता पिता को मेरा नमस्ते कहो. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my regards to your parents. अंग्रेजी बोलने से शर्माएं ना. Don't be shy of speaking English. Don't be shy of speaking English. आप मुझे प्रेरित करते हैं. You inspire me. You inspire me. मैं काफ़ी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I feel much better. I feel much better. मैं राज को किसी के सामने नहीं खोलूँगा. I will not spill the beans. I will not spill the beans. मूर्ख मत बनो, बुद्धिमान बनो. Don't be silly, be sensible. Don't be silly, be sensible. इतना तेज मत दौड़ो. Don't run too fast. Don't run too fast. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. I feel hot. I feel hot. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. चुपचाप अपना काम करो. Do your work quietly. Do your work quietly. मुझे थोड़ी सहायता की ज़रूरत है. I need a little help. I need a little help. आप इसे खुद करो. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. उसे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to tell him. No need to tell him. तुम चलो मैं आता हूँ. You go, I will come along. You go, I will come along. कितना स्वादिष्ट हलवा है. What a delicious pudding. What a delicious pudding. यह वास्तव में अच्छा था. It was really good. It was really good. वो मुझसे चाय बनवाती है. She makes me prepare tea. She makes me prepare tea. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I want the answer. I want the answer. अपनों से बड़ों की इज्जत करो. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है. I also feel the same. I also feel the same. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? हमें लगा कि आप हमारी मदद करेंगे. We assumed that you would help us. We assumed that you would help us. इस पेपर को फाइल में अटैच करो. Attach this paper to the file. Attach this paper to the file. उनके इस फैसले से हर कोई हैरान था. Everyone was astonished by this decision of his. Everyone was astonished by this decision of his. हम कल सुबह तक ये ख़त्म कर देंगे. We will finish this by tomorrow morning. We will finish this by tomorrow morning. मुझे यहाँ पर अजनबी के जैसा महसूस होता है. I feel as I am a stranger here. I feel as I am a stranger here. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something. I want to do something. तुम हमारे साथ आओगे क्या? Will you come with us? Will you come with us? कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊँगा। I will not go from here. I will not go from here. तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओगे। You will not come with me. You will not come with me. अगला सुपरस्टार कौन होगा? Who will be the next superstar? Who will be the next superstar? इसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए। Who wants an ice cream? Who wants an ice cream? मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं घर पहुंचकर तुम्हें कॉल करता हूँ। I will call you after reaching home. I will call you after reaching home. अभी तक तुमने कुछ नहीं सीखा। You have not learnt anything yet. You have not learnt anything yet. यहाँ से बस स्टॉप कितना दूर है? How far is the bus stop from here? How far is the bus stop from here? हो सके तो उसे बता देना। If possible, tell him. If possible, tell him. आपके सामने कौन है? Who is in front of you? Who is in front of you? वह पक्का उसकी माँ होगी। She must be her mother. She must be her mother. घर का सारा काम करने को पड़ा है। All household chores are pending. All household chores are pending. उस पर तरस मत खाओ। Don't feel pity for her. Don't feel pity for her. कृपया थोड़ी देर और रुक जाइए। Please stay a little longer. Please stay a little longer. वह अच्छा गाती है। She sings well. She sings well. उस बारे में तो हर कोई जानता है। Everybody knows about that. Everybody knows about that. सबकी जांच हो रही है। Everyone is being tested. Everyone is being tested. उनकी योजनाएं बदल गई हैं। Their plans have changed. Their plans have changed. तुम चाबी कहाँ भूल गए? Where did you leave the key? Where did you leave the key? आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था। I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. यह पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा। I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. क्या तुम उसे जानते नहीं हो? Don't you know her? Don't you know her? कोई नहीं आया। Nobody came. Nobody came. आपको शांत रहना होगा। You will have to remain calm. You will have to remain calm. वो जानता होगा उसके बारे में। He must know about him. He must know about him. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? बोलो कब जाना है? Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. हमारी कभी किसी ने मदद नहीं की। Nobody ever helped us. Nobody ever helped us. बस निपटो इससे। Just deal with it. Just deal with it. खाना बहुत तीखा है। The food is very hot. The food is very hot. तुम्हें ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए। You should not eat much. You should not eat much. मेरे मन में कोई शक नहीं है. There is no doubt in my mind. There is no doubt in my mind.